First, connect to the platform and make sure that you have selected the My Telephony app in the App Store. Go to the My Information tab, then click on the User Features button. Click on the Find Me, Follow Me feature button. The Find Me, Follow Me feature allows you to choose how your call will be distributed to your devices. Click on the Switch button to enable the feature. Then unselect the device that needs to ring when a call is coming. You can then adjust the green line to distribute your calls to your devices. In this example, the call will first ring for 20 seconds to Adrian GSM, then will ring for another 20 seconds to all other devices. If a voicemail box is set up, the call will then call your voicemail. Click on Save Changes. You can now see that the Find Me, Follow Me feature button has turned green, meaning that the feature is activated. You can also see the Find Me, Follow Me icon has appeared in the feature button, meaning that the feature has been activated again.